Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but it walked away. If only I knew what I know today. I would hold you in my arms, I would take the pain away. Thank you for your time, forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna go, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself by some days I feel broken inside, but I wanna make. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you and me. And it's so hard to say goodbye when it comes to taste. Won't you tell me I was wrong? Won't you help me understand? Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of all I am? There's nothing I wouldn't do to have just one more chance to look into your eyes and see you looking back. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself. Oh, if I had just one more day, I would tell you how much that I miss you, send you away. Oh, it's dangerous. It's hard to lie. Close your eye and turn back inside. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've had myself. But